Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming models, passwords, and cables, then connect a laptop to the primary router. Log into the main router to note DHCP range and gateway. This matters because you need a static IP that won't conflict. Next, factory reset the second Linksys if needed, plug it into power, and assign a static IP within the same subnet but outside DHCP. This prevents address collisions. Once done, disable DHCP on the secondary if you choose LAN to LAN for seamless roaming. You now decide the physical link and set parameters. For LAN to LAN, connect a LAN port from primary to a LAN port on the Linksys extender router. Disable DHCP on the secondary and optionally match SSID and WPA2 credentials so devices roam smoothly. For LAN to WAN, plug into the WAN port and choose a distinct subnet. Understand this creates double NAT unless you place the secondary in the primary's DMZ. Also, update firmware, select non-overlapping channels, and prefer 5 GHz backhaul when available for higher throughput. You finish by validating. Connect a client to each router, ping the gateway, and run a speed test to confirm expected throughput. If devices can't reach the internet, check that the secondary's static IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS are correct. Also confirm the cable is in the right port, LAN versus WAN. If performance suffers, reboot both routers, clear ARP tables, and retest. And if NAT issues persist, temporarily enable DMZ or UPnP on the primary to isolate routing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.